Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share with you our everyday eating table and then also our bar area, and then I'll do the kitchen separate. And so let's get started with this video. Previous video I did share our coffee cocoa bar area, and I will put that video down below, and I try not to forget this time. All right, y'all, so usually our everyday eating table is really simple. I always try to make it kid friendly, so it's easy clean up. So I have older boys, they're off to college and live on their own, and then I have a 10-year-old. So he is the culprit for my table looking, you know, how it looks, but it's okay. It's fine with me. It does have that rustic wear and tear vibe, which I kind of like anyway. And so I'll probably revamp it maybe with some paint soon, but usually I try to make it really simple so he can just move the place setting out of the way, and also great for easy cleanup. I know I really enjoyed, we didn't have a dining room area. We just had an everyday eating table growing up, and I really enjoyed how my mom would make it all festive and for the seasons, and we would just simply move the place setting or the placemat out the way and then put it back when we were done. So anyway, that was just a memory that I always had, and I don't know if that's important. Probably not for my boys. Who knows? But anyway, I wanted to do a gingerbread theme over here. I had some gingerbread items I added to my collection this year, and something different and for this year. Yeah, so starting over here, I got the chargers. Most of these things came from Kirkland's, or I already had it. So the napkins were from Kirkland's, and the napkin rings, and also the chargers. So they were just a place setting. It's actually 5 of us, but I usually set the table for 4 because right now it's just 3. But when my son, he still lives here, but he's in college, is 4 of us. And so the runner, I had something previous last year, but I was eyeing this for several years, and it looks so, I think it's their Norfolk collection from Kirkland's, and I'll see if I can link everything down below because they may still have everything. But I waited a little bit. No, I waited too long for the placemats last year, but I really like this. If it gets dirty or anything, I don't know. I'm sure you can wipe it off, but you can easily shake it out and keep it clean that way. So really like that. That's from Kirkland's as well. These little gingerbread men, I don't think they have them. I have the link for this in my Amazon storefront under coffee area, but I'll put it down below. They may have something similar, but there were little ornaments, and I took the little circle hook attachment off and cut it off, but they no longer have these in stock. So you may find something similar. Then I have a Lazy Susan, which I got from IKEA, and I like this because they can easily spin it around. Of course, the little men, they and the woman gingerbread came from Kirkland's, and yeah, I don't really remember where this came from. I want to say Walmart, the little cookie jar. So I had it quite for some time, holiday time, I think so. That came from Walmart several years ago. So you can put something in there. Has the little lady failed? Yeah, she has failed when Josiah has turned it around. But it's okay. I mean, she's not going to fall far. These little stack of books, I think I got it from the Bullseye Playground one year from Target. And I still don't remember where I got these wood logs. I want to say either Aldi or Walmart in a tiered tray set. Y'all know they sell those box sets together. I think that's where that came from, either Walmart or Aldi. Then this little Christmas tree, it's like velvet material. I think it came from Target. It did. Target several years ago. And then I just put it on a riser that also came from Target years ago. And then I have some coasters here. And then I like to put like little picks and stems within my decor, but I don't want to put too much because again, we're eating here. And these cute little salt and pepper shakers from Target as well. I did join a Facebook group with gingerbread, and it seemed like this year I've seen the most gingerbread stuff that I've ever seen. And you can join that group and see where different things, but I've seen things everywhere from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Burlington. I haven't been in there too much, but I've seen a lot of people have videos or their thumbnails where they went to Burlington and it's gingerbread stuff. But I was trying not to look at all of that because I know that I'll be tempted to go in there, and I just didn't want to overdo it with the gingerbread. So over here, y'all, is my bar area. We of course we had it for since we moved in here, but majority of the time, I think we've been here 15, 16 years. I have not utilized that majority of the time. So I may have bar stools here maybe a year or two, and then my boys were like scuffing up the walls, or the bar stools were scuffing up the walls. I think it was a combination of both. So I thought when I did my fall video and I told y'all, I don't think I want any bar stools here. But I started thinking about it because my brother was looking for some. He has a more lower counter in his apartment. I'll see if I can put a tour of his video down below. And he's been decorating it on his own. So he was telling me he loves to shop off the TikTok shop. So he was like showing me these bar stools, and then these started coming up for me, although I did get them from Amazon. So I really like them, and I thought, hey, that's a good addition to my bar area. I wanted these wreaths. They came from Kirkland's as well. I waited till they marked them down. It was like, I think, a double sale. And then I had some rewards from purchasing the other items. And then also, so they bend really easily. The only thing is that they come already bent, but you just have to maybe use a furniture or a brown marker if you bend it a little bit further than how they pre-bend it when you purchase it, if that makes sense. But I like these. These are super cute, and I got 4 of those, of course, you see. And then I picked up, these pillows were like $12, like a doorbuster. The gingerbread house, and then they had a man, and I didn't know if I wanted the man, but I really liked the house. I thought it was super cute. So it was a doorbuster, $12, and then the peppermint pillow was actually from the Bullseye Playground at Target. So I went in Target looking to see what items they had, but they didn't have everything out yet. So I just went with the peppermint, so I wouldn't have all gingerbread things, but I was looking for certain pillows in there as well. So up here on my bar, y'all, I thought this was a good addition because we tend to use this as a landing spot. I knew that this long counter, when I talked to the realtor, was going to be like a landing spot because I already knew our habits. And it is. We put some of everything up here. My husband, he already has some stuff right here, and I had to move it for the video. But let's see, we have the Norfolk placemats, and these are so lifelike. They're really nice. And I was trying to get these last year, and I waited to the last minute, and they were sold out. So I like when they have the 20% off of everything, and then you can like kind of stack the deals, whatever that Kirkland's have that day, because yeah. And then I had some Dollar Tree chargers, so you can get these from Dollar Tree or Michael's or wherever. So I had those for lots of years. And then I got these cute little plates. First I was going to just leave it like this, which I probably will, and put these up in a plastic bag. And I like to use these for like if we have like a piece of cake or something that's not really heavy, these little decorative plates. Or for our coffee area, you know, if you want some type of snack. I got these from Pop Shelf, so I never uploaded that video. These are super cute. You get a place, you get 8 of them. So I could put them here, and I didn't want to put a placemat. I forgot to say that here as well, because that's just too many things for Josiah to move back and forth. So that could go. Let me show you the other plates from Pop Shelf. I like Pop Shelf. I don't go in there as much as I thought I would when they first came to our town. But these are the little gingerbread men. I think they're $3. Yeah, you get 8 in here. So I have 4 more of these. And I thought I was going to put it down for this video, but it's okay. And then I got these napkins as well. And I think they had a set of some other ones. And I want to say I did record some footage. I don't know if that video will go out or not. When my aunt, it was my mother's birthday weekend. And we went to the fair. And what else did we do? We shopped. I did a shop with me kind of in Pop Shelf. So I may have that footage to do B-roll. So here... Right. Those candy cane ones are cute. These also were super cute. These are at Pop Shelf as well, these little napkins. And I put these on our bar over here. So, look like they need to be separated one by one. Anyway, they do have other ones. I want to say peppermint. And I can't quite remember, but I'll see. I hope I have that footage so I can do B-roll to show you guys. And yeah, super cute. I love Pop Shelf or stores that have these little cute little plates like that. But I probably will put these up until Christmas time. What I will do far as like our Thanksgiving, because it's before, and I usually do a buffet scape because I just thought about that. I probably will take this up and make sure that it's, you know, festive for Thanksgiving, at least our counter buffet. Y'all know, yeah, those that usually watch all the time, I usually do a buffet scape for Christmas and Thanksgiving, Christmas. But anyway, y'all, yeah, I like how this turned out. I like how festive it is and everything. I didn't think about putting anything there or over my pendant lights just yet. Maybe 1 year, maybe like coming down the pendant light, I don't know. But then I did put the little sign over here. I got this from Shein, and they have different sizes. Usually it's just, it comes with a canvas. You may come across some that have like a frame or something like that, but I just pinned it up there, and I wanted to make sure that I used it. And you can also put it on poster board, not a foam board if you want, you know, or frame it in a poster. But I just want to just be able to roll it up. But I thought that was a good way to tie everything in over here. But anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the very next video. Bye-bye.